Hey everyone, Chris here. So today I found a place last night. It's a small little house, but it looks very abandoned. Not really sure if it is. I'm gonna go check it out though. I'm using my mom's phone because I don't have one because I'm broke. um, so it's gonna be completely unedited. It might be a little dragging, and I apologize for that. As soon as I can find an editor, I'll edit, and you won't have to worry about the pauses or my thoughts, you know, me collecting my thoughts. um, with that being said, yeah, I found this place. You can't see it. I'd say it's like about like right behind these trees here, and the windows are smashed. The roof looks like it's like caving in, so I'm assuming it's abandoned. Um, my only worry, well, two worries. One is that someone's gonna come out of another house and, you know, try and attack me, or, you know, call the cops, you know. And my second worry is there's probably gonna be a shit ton of bees in there, and I am absolutely afraid of bees. Here's to hoping neither of those things happen. Let's hope the gods are on our side. Sam and Kobe, pray for me. Get them explore gods on my side. I need them. Sam and Kobe won't see this. Yeah, with that being said, here we go. Let me switch this over. So here I am. Apparently I can't switch my camera to the front while I'm videotaping. That's it, sort of. You can kind of see it. As you can see, the windows are smashed. Looks very old, actually. Let's get a window open right here. Let's check that out. Kind of freaky looking. Let's see, I could probably crawl in right here. That was quite easy. Wow. So this is it. Sorry you're not going to be able to get a good view. I'm going to try my best. Roof is like caving in, it looks like. Got an old freezer here. There's a hallway. Let's go check it out. Sounds like there might be animals in here. Hopefully you guys can see. I brought a lighter, but shit, that ain't gonna do nothing. Well, that's a bathroom. Sorry guys, the lighting's so bad. I definitely gonna have to grab a flashlight. I thought maybe it'd be a little better seeing how it's daytime, but I guess not. Oh shit, look at that. Big ol' hole. Looks like a crawl space. It looks like all this might fucking cave in, actually. Alright, I'm gonna say this once and once only. What I'm doing is not okay. It is not safe. And I'm probably going to fall through this floor. So here's to praying that I don't. And with that being said, please do not try this at home if you are not experienced in climbing, maneuvering, balancing, so on and so forth. So I'm just gonna make my way slowly across this floor here. As you can see, there's the old furnace there. That's really old, wow. You got a staircase here, so obviously that was covered. And it's free to be able to get there. It must be like the attic. Oh wow, this is actually really pretty for abandoned. There's the floor. There's the apartment, the building. It's up against my chest, so I'm gonna just slowly turn so you can see the old stove there. I don't know what that thing is. Let's go check that out. Lawnmower. Oh, crack, 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 crack. I'm definitely gonna go through this floor. Oh, looks like a really old laundry machine, actually. I don't know if you can see in there. I don't know if I'm getting it, or if you can even see in there. I don't know how these fucking cameras work on these phones. Is that? Check out this. This is cool. This is old. Fucking animal jumps out at me. Oh, pardon my language. Finley's. Carlton Place, Ontario. So it's a Finley's. Yeah, right there. Finley Meteor. Yeah, boom. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm really trying here. Once I can, get a better fucking camera. Oh shit, that's not good at all. Oh, look at this. Oh shit. I just put my foot there and it just cracked and I thought I was going through. I thought I was done for. I almost lost a leg. Alright. This is cool actually. I really like this. Whoa, that's a spine. Actually, you guys might be able to see it. This thing right here, this long thing in my glasses, that's a spine. Check this out. I don't know if you can see it. That's a whole animal. Oh wow, hold on. Let me see this. Is that a dog? That's a dog. Okay, this is really graphic and very sad, but that is a dog. That's not just an ant, that's a dog. Oh my god. Did I seriously just find that? Like, I got chills. Like, this ain't no bullshit. I got fucking goosebumps. Oh my god. And clearly it's been here a while. I should put my glasses on. Clearly it's been here a while. Oh my. Oh. Let's see if there's anything else underneath. Doesn't look like it. Oh, there's a bumblebee floating around. I'm gonna put that back down there. I'm sorry, little fella, for disturbing your resting peace. I really am. Oh, shit, I'm so sorry. I'll put you back. There we go. Oh my god. I guess this is what happens when you explore abandoned places. You find creepy stuff. Just never thought I'd find a dog, especially on my first exploration. I'm a little nervous. There's a couch. Dresser. It's a nice little couch, actually. Fucking looks like 80s type. This furnace is what I'm looking at, though. Duotherm. I don't know if y'all can see that. Honestly, I hope I'm talking loud enough for this. Oh. Well, it's locked. Not getting in that. That's for sure. Table. Ooh, trophies. Hold on. What is that? Doesn't say. Horseshoe. A horseshoe trophy. That's cool. What's this? Is that a lamp? I think that's a lamp. That's a lamp.